Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile on the Korean Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then go to your home page and then click on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on profile at the top in the right side, and here you can find basic information including your name, SkyPass number and user ID. Here you can see other information including your gender, date of birth, email address, phone number. Then your address can be added here, your primary language, and here you can add marketing and advertising agreement, and the third-party vendor policy can be checked out here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you would like to change any of this information, just go back to that section. So that's it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.